Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to install your multi-panel perfect fit shutters light. First, we'll go through the installation of a double-panelled shutter. Using a credit card as our guide, we're going to slot our brackets into each corner of the gasket seal. Now, going from left to right, we're going to line up the punch holes in the top of the panel with the brackets we've just installed. Once lined up, we can insert a second bracket in line with the punch hole on the right hand side of the panel. We can now do the same for the brackets at the bottom of the window. Line up the punch hole to the left, and then insert a bracket in line with the right punch hole. Now we'll do the same for the right side panel. Again, we'll line the punch holes up with the brackets which have already been installed, and we'll insert our other brackets in line with the left hand punch hole. Now we'll do the same for the brackets at the bottom of the window. On all but one of the panels, we'll have what's called an astragal. When installing the shutters, we'll start with the panel without an astragal, and we always fit from the left hand side. Line up the bracket and punch holes to install the panel. When we install the second panel, the astragal will overlap the left hand panel. And the shutters are now installed. We'll now go through the installation of a multi-panel shutter. Again, using a credit card as our guide to install our corner brackets first. Going from left to right, we'll line up the punch holes with the already installed bracket and slot a bracket in line with the right hand punch hole. Then we'll do the same for the bottom, and we can now install the panel. Once again, we'll install the panels left to right. Using a panel with an astragal, we're going to stand it next to our already installed panel, so we have a guide for our central brackets. Insert your brackets in line with the punch holes in the top of the panel. You can now slide the panel down, keeping the astragal in line with the installed panel. And again, we'll use the punch holes as a guide to insert the brackets. You can now install the central panel. In this case, we only have one central panel, but you can continue this process for any shutters over 3 panels. Moving on to our final panel, we'll line up the punch holes with our corner brackets and insert our final brackets on the top and bottom. We'll double check the operation. And your multi-panel perfect fit shutters light are now installed. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.